Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Google Voice Typing, and this should be available for all students. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com, and then this page will pop up. You won't have the same background and things unless you have it set up already. And then you'll log in with your school Google account, and then you'll go up to the waffle, which is the square with all the dots, and you'll see all these different options that you have. You're going to go to Google Docs, and you're going to go to blank document, and then you can go to tools, voice typing. And what this is whatever you type, it's going, whatever you say, it's going to type. So you can say, hi, how are you today? Question mark. I'm fine, period. And that's one way that you can type your answers. And then you can either turn this document in. And to turn it in, you would click up here where it says Untitled. And you might say, hello, assignment 1. I don't know what yours is going to be. Okay. And then you can go to share. And then type in your teacher's name. For example, if it is Miss Farrell, you type in Miranda Farrell. And you'd say viewer and send. You can also go file, email, and email it. Or you can go file, download. And if you're going to download, you want to download as a PDF document. And you'll see this little arrow up here pop up. It's downloaded your file. Here it is. You'll open it up. And then you'll have to hit download again. Go over here. And you'll go up to desktop. And then you'll hit save. And then you can find it and put it in the Dropbox for your assignment. Okay, so those are some different ways that you can turn in your assignments. You can also just highlight what you typed, right click, copy, and then click in the space on Brightspace, edit paste, and turn it in that way. So those are some different options that you can use.